Thank you very much. You're still watching Kigezi Television. I'm Nobati Nyamachi, and right now we are in Rubanda district in Nyaruhanga parish, and this village is of Kande, where Honorable Evelyn Kikafunda has concluded her day 3 of the campaigns here in Rubanda district, seeking for the bill to be able to represent the women of Rubanda district in the Parliament of Uganda. Honorable Evelyn Kikafunda, I want you to highlight to us how was this day 3, how has been the day and the campaign so far.
Thank you very much. I'm Evelyn Ninsima, and I feel very excited that today I've concluded my day 3 for my campaigns as a bid to run for the Woman Member of Parliament, seat for Rubanda district. And what is really coming up frequent is that the people of Rubanda, the people of Nyaruhanga ward, the people of Kandihe village just need services. One, all they need is their infrastructure worked on, their health centers equipped with medicine. One of the ladies did mention that they fetch their water from the swamps, and they are not asking for a lot. All they need are services. And I do believe that a member of parliament, like for example Evelyn, who is aspiring to be the woman member of parliament in Rubanda district, I have to go to parliament and deliberate on policy that brings services closer to the people in Rubanda. And if the research does mention that 90% of the population of people in Rubanda are illiterate, definitely they need a leader who will be their voice to go to parliament and then see how best they get these services closer to them. And I'm so glad that Evelyn Kikafunda is a sustainable development consultant, and I definitely know that for any community to develop, the services must be on point. The roads must be worked on, the water must be accessible and people available to the rural communities. The health care, people must have the medical care that they really need. And that is why in my manifesto I have emphasized that I will definitely suggest the parliament bring a law, propose that every Ugandan citizen must be in an insurance. Reason why most of these people in rural communities are health insurance, are unable to afford medical care. Truth be said, for those who have patients who have cancer, honestly, a farmer who earns 50,000 per day, 5,000 per diem, not 50,000 per diem, 5,000 per diem, is unable to really afford cancer medical, medication in Mbara and in Mulago. And that is why I will definitely advocate for the government of Uganda to bring cancer centers closer to the people. For example, Rubanda has a hospital right now, hospital status, and it would be very good if His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, brought these services closer to his people, than them dying because they are unable to afford, transport in Bara, to afford accommodation in Bara, to afford food in Bara. And these are services I believe His Excellency can definitely, afford and manage. All he needs are leaders, who have the expertise, who have the knowledge, and who really know what people need to really live a better life, in the rural communities.
Maybe Honorable, to highlight to us, what is that challenge? Because today we have seen you go into 4 stops in this parish of Nyaruhanga. What is that major challenge that has faced in these most villages that you have visited today, and what are the measures that you are likely to put across to address such challenges when elected as a member of parliament to represent the women of Rubanda district?
The main challenge that came up today in Nyaruhanga ward, because I began from Chanamira, Mukasheche, water scarcity. Most of them walk for 5 to 6 hours to go and fetch water, and that shows you that even the boy and girl child who should be in school do not study because they are fetching water for their grandparents, for their parents. And if that is really sorted, then I believe the people in Nyaruhanga ward, the people in Rwanda will definitely be happy. So if I am voted as woman member of parliament of Rwanda district, I will definitely champion that water should be accessed and available for every household and for every citizen. What is most funny is that Rwanda has Lake Bunyonyi. So why should people lack water for honestly? So I believe as somebody who deliberates on strategic planning, I will definitely guide the president and the people who have expertise in natural resources to see how best they can really work to ensure that people in Rubanda, people in Kigezi, must afford their basic water, water resources.
Thank you very much, Honorable, for giving us that opportunity to talk to you this evening as you conclude your day 3 of seeking for elections or seeking for votes in this area of Nyaruhanga Award. For Kigezi Television, I remain Robert Nyamachi. Thank you very much.